breakfast here as well. Wait. Let's start watching Turbot serve after this, please.
Wait.
You're the meeting server.
Can I have one of them big pans? Okay, really quickly please, pal. Thank you. What are we doing? 4. Wait. You got that pan?
Yep.
Well, let's break down those two turbos. Let's go on it. 3 minutes on the bus?
4.
Two more snacks away, so it's 4 snacks all day.
Wait.
Confirmation for... Oh, that's a light. 4 turbo away.
Wait.
Go 2, then 4.
2 then 4, wait.
2, then 4.
How long on the first two?
3 minutes.
Yeah.
2 minutes on 2 turbot.
Yeah. You got a fish off the 4?
No.
Should it be?
What is it?
Quite 2.
Pick it up. Four bream on the pass. Wait.
After the 4, we're going to go 2 Hogget, alright?
Reshoot.
I'll give you all there. Shut now. With 2 turbo.
Yeah, sure.
Straight after that, 4 turbo. Then straight after that, we're going to go 2 Hogget.
Wait. Wait. Yes, it's tough. Yes, yes.
Right, just got 4 minutes then, 4 minutes, going after that too, okay.
Wait.
Oh, maybe that.
Yeah, and like you and Shashank, you and Shank and the gels were the best. You're making better than me.
But I really don't like that chemical.
It really is hard, isn't it? Oh, while I'm going to send it. Jordan's table 22. Right, big blitz down everyone, we sent all the main courses. Matt, last main courses are going now.
I so can't fucking do this canal.
You're getting that too hot. Look how hot that is.
I'm sitting here, I don't know if it's getting too hot.
Top this, that's fucking really hot. You need to top this up a bit more water so it fills up the side of it, and keep stirring it. Grazie. I need you to do a bit of your expertise on gels with these two. Give me a real good lesson.
On the station. This one.
When? Tomorrow? Tomorrow?
On a busy night.
Saturday?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the rotor, innit? Because that'd be good, because you're good at it. So it'd be good for you to show him. Yeah, I've just said to him now, so I need a bit of your expertise in the whole.
But it is different because, of course, we've all learned like purees, milk, and sweet. Put it on and it fucking becomes boiling the fuck out of it.
Yeah. Yeah, I've
Is
never.
this how you were doing it?
No.
Right. Just do it how you were next time. Just to see. Definitely be ready then.
And then 11.
Lamb?
Yeah.
Someone put sauce in the jugs. Be careful on this wild garlic as well, right? Season it when it's in the pan, because it's just got covered in salt over the top. Yeah, I'm just brushing it all off.
Yeah.
You've got to be really careful. Can you put that into 2 jugs? Service?
2 tables or?
No, 1 table, 28 mate. Oh, there's 2 of you there. Table 28. Right, let's do the last 2 Hogget on table 22.